Climate change preparation requires real spending long before a disaster strikes, and your credit report plays a central role in making that spending possible. Investments such as solar energy systems, water catchment, home fortification, backup power, and rising insurance deductibles are often financed, not paid for in cash. A strong credit report lowers the cost of that financing, expands access to green loans and utility programs, and allows households and businesses to act early instead of delaying protection. By actively reviewing and improving your credit, you increase your ability to fund climate readiness upgrades at manageable terms, reduce future out-of-pocket shocks, and position yourself to absorb climate costs without destabilizing your finances.